Connecting to outside world. So far, we have learned how to compute with values in registers, load data from memory to registers, and store data from registers to memory. But where does data in memory come from, and how does data get out of the system so that humans can use it? Type of I/O devices characterized by first behavior, which is input, output, and storage. Input devices, for example, keyboard, motion detector, network interface. Output devices, for example, monitor, printer, and network interface. And for storage is, for example, devices is disk and CD-ROM. Next is data rate. It is how fast can data be transferred. First keyboard, it is 100 bytes per second, disk 30 MB per s, and network 1 MB per s to 1 GB per s. Next is control status registers. First, CPU tells device what to do. For example, write to control register. And next, CPU check whether task is done. For example, read status register. CPU transfer data to from the device, as we can see the diagram of graphic controller here. And for next, device electronics, it is to perform actual operation. For example, pixels to screen, bits to from disk, and characters from keyboard. Programming interface. How are devices register identified? It is memory map versus special instruction. And how is timing of transfer managed? It is about asynchronous versus synchronous. And last one is who controls transfer. For sure, it is CPU who is control it. CPU versus device.